No, he didn't. He's trying. Shark. Good morning, everybody. How we doing today? Aloy here from Jupiter Kayak Fishing, and we are out here in Matlacha Pass today. Started off a little bit later than I wanted to. We're here on the water. I've been transiting now for probably an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. I got to where I want to fish. We're gonna start off with one of these Salt Strong. What are these called again? These things. Whatever these guys are called, skinny walkers or whatever. We're gonna try that out for this morning. I haven't used that in a while, just curious to see if it's working. And then we're gonna push back. I'm not sure that I can get back here. I've only been here, this is my third time to this area. Last time we were here, we were slaying redfish, so I want to see if that was a fluke or that's a common occurrence here. I'm seeing a lot of mullet this morning. No bait. I saw a couple dolphins this morning. I trolled the whole way here. We didn't get one bite, so that's not very encouraging. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get back there right now. Okay, we might have to take the kayak out and pull our way back in there today. We got some overcast weather now. It was sunny a second ago. These clouds just moved in. Don't know. I might have to switch to something weedless. Might just be a little too shallow still for here. But we'll see. This is not a new setup. I've had this rod for a while. I don't use it really for anything but tarpon. But I decided to bring it out here today. I put a really light reel on there. I usually have a big Penn spin fisher on there, which is much heavier, much durable, and I think that one's a 4500, 5500. I don't know. It's a bigger. This is a 4000 Shimano Stratic, really lightweight. It almost weighs the same weight as a 2500, if not the exact same weight, guys. So I wanted to see how this would do, kind of use it as my heavier set. We do got some bait up 50. Oh, there's some sheep's head right there. I picked up 50 shrimp. I just saw sheep's head right there. Yes, I did. The motor has been cutting off on the way over here. I think it was just overheating, but it needs to be clean. I need to put some more dielectric grease on it. So it usually happens, and then that lets me know that I need to do something. So we have to get through that channel right there. As you can see, there is a oyster bed that protects it. But we're gonna see if we can get in there. Smelling. It smells weird back here today too. Oh, perfect. There's someone in there. That'll get them. Let's see, that's all mullet there. Let's see if I can get through here, guys. It's already getting skinny. All right, this is where I want to head towards. I think last time, I don't remember if the oyster beds were showing last time we got through here. We'll see. Bring the rudder up. Some mullet right there. There is some. Oh, sheep's head. Looking good. Looking good. Want a mullet. Want a mullet. I think if we go this way a little bit, we can stay on the deep end, the deeper stuff. If you go that way, you won't. There we go. There we go. Bring that back. Slow us down. Okay. Okay. Last time I fished this, I've fished this stuff a couple times and there's never been anything in there. So I don't really. Ooh, look at that sheepy. There's some sheep's head all around these oyster beds. Let's see. That's all mullet moving right there, guys. And last time I can't remember if I brought them down. I brought everything down. It's the safest thing to do here. Alrighty. There we go. Through there. Through there. Bring the rudder now. He'll help. Oh, smarter to bring him down. Sheep's head right there. Sheep's head right there. Sheep's head right there. I could turn around and work that for sheep's head right now, because I know there's some there. But what I'll do is I'll fish that on the way out. There'll be some more water. God. It's interesting. There's no moving water right now out here. That's okay. Water clarity is pretty good back here, even though we're in some murky water back here, but water's looking. Oh, what was that? Tree. Man. That mangrove stump wasn't going anywhere. I'm gonna go back to the Salt Strong Skinny Lipper. So that's paired up right now. I got my St. Croix Mojo Inshore 7.6 medium heavy fast action. So this is again usually one of my tarpon rods that I pair up with a much heavier reel. It's a 4000 Shimano Stratic. This is a 15-pound Brave. There's another sheep's head to 25-pound fluoro. Outbound Sanibel Causeway with the disabled 51-foot motor yacht on a stern tow. Any and all concerned traffic, contact me on channel. Someone spooked over there. Couldn't tell what it was, but it looked. Oh. God, those are two big reds. God. Alright, so they're back here. So I also pushed further away from those mangroves because those fish were spooked. They were just sitting there too, so. Little baby snook hit that? Yes, he did. First fish of the morning. Snook on the skinny lipper from Salt Strong. And he's got a little some damage there. He hit the front one. There he goes. He's cold. And that's the first snook I've caught. I'm like, oh, there's another one. Someone else over there in that corner. That's right where I got this guy. And might have a chance at a slam today. I tell you, I have not hooked into snook whatsoever in the past 2 weeks. And the ones I have been kind of like that guy, little dinks. It's just this cold temp and snook just don't go hand in hand. So that snook I caught was right in that corner. After I catch those fish, sometimes I'll go and look and see if there's anything special going on with that. Why was he there? Why was he there? Is there anything special going on there? Dang it, that one's not coming out. It's skinny here, and I just spooked 3 reds over here. So they're here. I just need to apply appropriate tactics. We got the spoon here. It's so shallow. It's either the spoon or the popping cork here. Those are my 2 options right now. I feel like I'm gonna get a red over here soon. And if I get a red right now, I'm at his mercy. I have my motor's up, which means I can't anchor. But that's okay. 2 out of the 3 that I spooked went that way. The other guy went out that way. There's so much mullet around, so they were swimming around the mullet. See what happens. Don't see there being one over here somewhere. I just gotta fish it. I just gotta fish it. Someone's gonna be here. It's too good not to. Oh, there's 2 sheepies. God, there's those sheeps that are everywhere. The other place I want to get to is a little hole. Last time I was there, the water was really running and we had a non-stop action. So kind of waiting for that. That's why I'm fishing all this slow stuff. I mean, I should go over there and check out how it is when it is slow. But I will get over there soon enough. Someone was looking at it. Needlefish, I just saw them. Last time I was back here, I did not have to bring up my motor at all. So, I know we got shallower water than last time. It's just, how could there not be a fish here? I have a feeling this area for the tarpon season is going to be good for some juveniles. Yeah. I haven't seen one fish besides in the entrance, and there's a lot of channels that could be like that. These canal systems I've usually seen that. It's either there's fish all up in the system, I don't know, everywhere, or just in the entrance and at the back end. Oh, look at this little gem back here, guys. You know, the best part when it's calm like this is, I mean, look at the water. You can see the reflection of everything. All the mangroves. Like Forrest Gump said, it was like there was two skies. Oh my God, look at that red right here. Look at him. Look at him right here. He didn't even see me yet. He has not seen me. Let's see if I can. Oh, let's see. Man, that. He's right there. Let's see if I can get him. Oh, wow, did he spook from that? He did not like seeing that. That's the beauty of the kayaks, guys. You see how close he was to me? He was not spooked at all until I threw that. The only thing he saw was the lure. Would have been nice to get that guy. If I catch like a 22, 23 inch red, he's coming home today. Sheep's head are coming home today. Cobia would have to be on the way home. If I got one of those to keep him. I don't have enough. Ooh, there he is. There's that red. There he goes. This is kind of the end of it. So nothing in the canal. In the beginning and at the end there were fish. Got one, guys. Right in the middle. Not doing anything but holding it right there, guys, right now. A little tight area. But that's okay. He looks like he's 22, 23. Good eating size. A lot of head shakes. Look at that guy. He's trying. He's trying. Oh, he got. Did he get in the motor? No, he didn't. He's trying. Oh man, this guy might be too pretty to eat. He's very pretty. Oh yeah. You see that, guys, in about 1.5 foot of water with a gold spoon. And whoa. So 8 spots on this side, guys. Look at that. And then look at this guy's other side. Whoa. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. He is too pretty to eat. You're going home, don't worry. I would never eat you. I couldn't stand, look, I wouldn't be able to look at the, look at that, pop right off. Go weedless spoon. Let's see, he is the size I like to eat too, guys. 22.5. But we're gonna let him go. He is just too pretty. Whoa. Looks like a cheetah. All right, let's get you out of here. Hell yeah, guys, that was a nice little red here. I had spooked about 4 or 5 of them coming in here. I got them in that entrance right there, and I just have a feeling there's more. This is the end of this little canal system that I've been pushing in. And I was saying earlier that this canal seems to only have fish in the beginning of it and at the end of it. I have fished the middle of it multiple times now. I've never caught fish. Every time I get to the end or in the beginning is where I catch them. So that's a common pattern too over here for a lot of different canals. So you just got to put in the time to figure out which ones are like that and which ones aren't. And that could change. And I wish I was recording, because I watched them eat that. I watched them come follow it and just eat it. Boop. That was so nice. I got to get new batteries again. These GoPro batteries, they start to expand, and then they start getting stuck in the GoPros. Once that happens, that battery's done. I pretty much get rid of it. So that's happened to quite a few of them. I am down to a couple batteries now, so I need to get a few more. No. Whoa. I almost got that bird, guys. Luckily it came off. Thank you, Lord. Alright, guys, I'm just working this popping cork now. And seeing if I can find someone hanging out with all these mullet out here. There's some mullet out here. They're just hanging around. Feel like there's gonna be a red in that mix. Got him. That's another red. Yeah, this place is just red. Reds, reds, reds. I love it. It might be a little better. This is that Lunar Lunkers rod, and that's paired with my Penn. Oh, what's going on with it? Oh, it's hitting bottom. Penn Slammer, sorry guys. Penn Slammer, 10-pound braid for my main line. I got a 60-pound on top of the cork to helps with the stiffness of the just helps not to get tangled, and then 25-pound is the leader line to a 1/0 circle hook. Yeah, he's bigger. This guy's a little too big for me to keep. He's in the slot. I just don't like keeping bigger ones. Look at that guy. Yeah, he's probably like 25. Guys, I've had a shrimp out there for, I don't think it was even 5 minutes. Yeah, he's 23.75. Oh, nope, sorry. 23 and a half. He's going home too. Just confused about his life now. Just doesn't even know what just happened. Oh. Alright, guys. So yeah, this is 10-pound braid, 60-pound leader on the top. This helps without it so it doesn't tangle. This is 25-pound leader. That's probably, I have an arm's length is what I usually do. And you can see we're in like 2 feet of water right here, and it works just fine. So this is how I hook them. That's it. Now we start moving again. All right, that's 1 snook, 2 reds so far. Boy, guys, I just had another one. He was chasing it all the way in. I was bringing it in and he started chasing it in. Well, look at this, guys. It's crowded here today. Oh, Wednesday. Needlefish. Decent needlefish, but it's a needlefish. These guys are really teethy, guys. You just have to be careful with those teeth. Oops, see, he tried to get me. Let's use pliers. The hole I was going to is currently occupied by a boat. So there's that. And now I have to decide if I want to cut through there or just go back the same way I came. Trout slam is complete. A little guy. Oh yeah, fucking pompano. Yeah, baby. Little guy, but he'll make the cut. Little pomp. Snagged a sheepy. He's too small. There was a big one I saw, so I was casting there, but definitely not this little dude. Sheep's head, little guy. I don't understand that move that boat did. I don't know, whatever. Like, it made no sense what he did there, unless he was just trying to be a penis wrinkle. Unless somebody else can think of what he was doing. I stayed behind him when he was in his... So the situation was, he was in here fishing that hole to the left of there. So I decided to wait because it looks like he's in a charter. I stood back about 50 yards, maybe more, probably 100 yards behind him, and I was casting. I caught a trout and some pompano back there. So then when he leaves, he backs up, runs right through where I'm casting, and then turns around and leaves right away. Another sheep's head. These are small ones. Little sheep's head. So now we got snook, 3 reds, trout, pompano, and 2 sheep's head. Mang, good size mang. I like mang. Probably 11. I'm gonna guess right at 11. Barely makes 10. Yeah, he's good, just barely. Those guys just don't have enough meat. Survival situation, he gets eaten. Out here, no. Get him? I got some of them. stolen. Let's see. You never know. Whoa, man, he took it. He wanted that. He wanted that. That's good. A little piece turned into a fish. Alright, this hole is depleted. Shark. There he goes. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in today. Today ended up being a really nice day. I ended up with a slam, with some pompano, with some sheep's head, and some snappers. This was first day I've been out since, wow, the day before the Super Bowl. So it's been almost a week now. There has been the cold front during this period of time, but now we got the day temperatures up in the 70s, 72, 73 today. So it is turning out to be a nice week so far, and the fish are just as hungry right now. I had a lot of action back there. I love fishing that area now. I mean, it's a little bit of ways to get over there, but it produces. It has produced every time I go over there, so I like that area now. Guys, just a little, you know, get up on my soapbox. We had a gentleman a couple of days ago who washed up. You know, they found him unresponsive next to his kayak. No details on what happened exactly. You know, it could have been a heart attack, could have been he fell in the water. With these water temperatures in the high 60s, you can get hypothermia, you know, and whatever the math equates to it. There's charts that show you how long it takes to go into hypothermia with that temperature, but it's not very long. He didn't have his PFD on. The gentleman passed away, so that sucks. So, you know, if you're out here by yourself, wear your PFD. I have a lot of people that don't like wearing PFDs, but that's their choice. That's the beauty about being a human. You can do whatever the beep you want. I choose to wear mine. It doesn't bother me at all. If you go out fishing by yourself alone in the kayak, I highly recommend you always wear your PFD. But guys, again, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for continuing to follow the channel. Thanks for all the comments. Thanks for all the likes. Make sure that you go and follow our social media too. We have a Facebook, and we update that place a lot more. There's pictures almost weekly up on fish reports. We have an Instagram, and we're soon gonna have a TikTok. So make sure you go and follow us on all of that social media. Thanks for watching, and see you guys soon. Yeah, my connections definitely need to be cleaned, both the battery and the front. The kayak keeps shutting off, so I'm just heading right back. I was gonna go fish a little more, but I don't even want to deal with that. I know I got to get those wires, all the wires cleaned out, all the slots that go in here for the connections. That's all. It's all just dirty, and then I need to put some more dielectric grease in it. And then, but yeah, we're heading back, beelining it straight back. Hopefully I don't have to paddle. Thought I was gonna have to paddle. Would have turned my day into a mess. I have a fishing seminar to do after this today, so that would have sucked. I have probably, I don't know, a mile, maybe less to go, and then we'll be back at the launch, and then that's it, guys. So hopefully we get back without having to paddle.